Hi guys, I'm sure many of you wonder what's the best cube? Well, I think I might have found it, and I think it's this. Now you might be thinking it's really small. Well, trust me, it's not as small as it seems. I think this is a really good 3x3 because just look at the attention to detail on the packaging. Each of these squares are exactly 1 centimeter big, as shown by this handy ruler here. And this cube takes up one of the spot, showing that it's exactly 1 centimeter big. So, let's open it and see how it is. Oh, make sure you're not under 3 years old if you're using this, because it is a choking hazard. And make sure you're 14 plus as well. So let's open it up. Wow. Where's it gone? Oh, here it is. Here it is, the greatest cube ever. So as you can see, it's a pretty standard 3x3. So let's get into our first turns. Oh wow, it's actually pretty smooth. I think wrist turns would be better for this. So it's actually much smoother. The corner cutting is alright. So yeah, let's just finish off these last few moves. Yes, I solved it. So it is actually really good, I have to say. So if you want to get a really good cube, I think this one's the one for you. I think this will definitely be my main cube from now on, because just look at that, it's so good. Because a normal 3x3 wouldn't fit in my entire hand. This fits in one of my fingers, so that means I have more grip. That means I won't be dropping it. That means I'll be faster at solving the cube. So I think this will definitely be my new main. Let's try M moves. Ugh. Yeah. There we go. Perfect. So I think this is actually really good for what it is. If you haven't realised by now, everything I've said in this video is a complete lie. It is absolutely terrible, but its turning is actually pretty good.